This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google News as a desktop app. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered I have my desktop, but if you look right over this way, I have an app called Google News. If I double click on that, it opens up Google News as an app. The way to do this, I'm going to close this down here. I'm going to delete my app and then I'm going to uninstall it. Right here I have an app called Google News. I'm going to go off to the right. I'm going to uninstall it. So where it is gone. You can use either the Chrome browser or the Edge web browser to do this. I'm going to start off with the Google Chrome web browser. I'm going to jump over to Chrome. First thing you want to do is go to the Google News website. You want to make sure that you're logged into the Google News website. Then you want to go off to the top to the address bar and you'll see a symbol up here that looks something like this. If you put my mouse cursor over it, it says Install Google News. You can click on it here, or you can do it a different way on Google Chrome. You can go off to the three-dot menu off to the right side, click on that, go down to where it says Save, Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share, and slide off to the left, and right down here is Install Google News. If you click on it, a little dialog box will open up asking you if you want to install this app. You would click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel to show you how to do it on Edge. I'm going to jump over to the Edge web browser. You want to go to the Google News website. You want to make sure that you're logged in. Then you could either go up to the top to this little icon right up here. If I put my mouse cursor over it, it says App Available, Install Google News. Or you could slide off to the three-dot menu, click on that. Then you will go down to where it says More Tools. And then you'll slide straight off to the left and you'll see it says Apps. And then off to the right it says Install Google News. I'm going to click on Install Google News. A little dialog box pops open, asks me if I want to install it. I'm going to click on Install. It'll take it a few seconds. And now Google News has opened up as an app. That is how to install Google News as an app on your desktop. Thanks for watching.